March 3. World Wildlife Day. Around the world, between 200 and 350 million people live within or adjacent to forested areas and rely on several ecosystem services provided by forest and forest species for their livelihoods and also to cover their most basic needs like food, shelter, energy, and medicines. Around 28% of the world's land surface is presently managed by indigenous peoples, including some of the most ecologically intact forests on the planet. These spaces are not only important to their economic and personal well-being but also to their cultural identities. Forests, forest species, and livelihoods currently depend on them and find themselves at the crossroads of the various planetary crises we currently face due to climate change, biodiversity loss, and health, social and economic impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. The day celebrates forest-based livelihoods and promotes forest and forest wildlife management practices that accommodate both human well-being and the long-term conservation of forests. As we know that wildlife is facing threats due to human activities. Various challenges are faced by wildlife include loss of habitat, industrialized farming, commercial development, and overgrazing. Poaching and the trafficking of animals may also lead to risks to various species like tigers, rhinos, and elephants, etc.
On March 3, 1973, the United Nations General Assembly took a stand to protect endangered species throughout the world. Whether plant or animal, the importance of these species in every area of human life, from culinary to medical, could not be understated. At this time, hundreds of endangered species were being threatened every year, and extinction was at a staggeringly high rate. CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, was put into place to ensure that the world did not continue to hemorrhage species that would never be seen from again. On December 20, 2013, another step was taken to help spread awareness of the fragility of endangered species in the world. At its 68th session, the UN declared that each year World Wildlife Day would be dedicated to a new purpose and idea to help keep people abreast of the changing nature of our world and the treasures we stand to lose from the animal and plant kingdom if we don't take care. It is observed as UN World Wildlife Day to raise awareness and celebrate the world's wild animals and plants. The CITES Secretariat was designated as the facilitator of the observance of Wildlife Day on the UN calendar by the resolution of UNGA.
Thank you for watching the video.
Do like and subscribe for daily updates.